How to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook to make your account more secure. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings and privacy section. Now from here, you simply have to tap on the option labeled See More in Account Center. And now here, once you are inside the account center, then you simply have to scroll down and tap on password and security. And now here in this section, you can see the option labeled two-factor authentication. So simply tap on it. And after that, you simply have to choose the account. And on the new page, you simply have to enter the code that has been sent to your account. So here in this section, I'm going to simply enter the code that has sent. So here, once you have entered the code, then you simply have to choose the options that Facebook have shown you, like authentication app, SMS, or WhatsApp, or the security keys. So here, you can simply select your preferred method. So here, if you choose the SMS, then you simply have to enter your phone number right here. And now here, once you have entered the phone number, then you simply have to enter the code that you will receive on this number. And here, after entering the code, then you simply have to tap on next. And there on the next page, you may also set up recovery codes, backup phone number, and security keys because this will help you to log in if you lose access. And once you're done with that, you simply have to tap done or turn on to enable two-factor authentication, and that's it. After that, your Facebook account will now be protected with two-factor authentication. And with that, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.